In this video, we will show you how to connect your Android phone into the Windows 11. Now, the Windows 11 can connect easily your smartphone into the operating system. How to do that? First, you need to open the settings. After you open your settings in your Windows, select Bluetooth and devices. In here, you can connect your smartphone using mobile devices here. Just click this. And in here, you need to select Manage Devices. To manage your devices, you need to sign in using your Microsoft account. Just click Continue. Please wait until the account has been connected. Type your password here. Click Sign In. And select Add Device. In here, you need to scan the QR code into your Android devices. How to do that? First, in here, we need to open our Android smartphone. In my case, this is my Android. We can scan the QR code. Let's using QR code scanner, for example. Now, you need to go to the link that you just scanned. Just click Open Link. Select Link to Windows. Click Install. Make sure your Android smartphone has enough space to install this application. Okay, the installing process is still running. Now, the installation has been complete. We can click Open to continue after that. Now, just click Open. Okay, we need to input our code. Okay, you can see this code. Just put into your phone. Q F V 6 X G and continue. We need to input our password on our phone side. Type our password. Click sign in after that. Now click allow on our smartphone here. Now click done for the last step. After that, we can click continue on this side. Okay, now my smartphone is detected in here. We successfully synchronize our devices or our smartphone into this Windows. Now we can sharing photo and sharing file easily. We will continue this tutorial. In here, you can also connect your camera from the Windows operating system by clicking the allow permission, and then you can click allow while running the application. After we connected our smartphone into our Windows, and then the question how we can use this feature. Okay, you can click open phone link to answer call or text, view photo, and more. You can see here we can select our devices, for example our Android, and we can sign in with Microsoft and click continue. We select our phone devices here. Now we need to give permission on our mobile devices. Make sure you click allow and click continue here. And I don't want to open phone link when I sign into Windows. and click Get Started. And in here, we can view our photo, send text message, and make a call. Rather than on our phone, we can using our Windows to do that. Then we can click skip here, or if you want to view your photo, just click this. Wow, you can see this is our photos on our phone, and we can copy and save our picture and minutes from our Windows rather than using our mobile devices. And that's all tutorial how to connect our phone into the Windows OS, especially Windows 11, the newest version. Hope this video helpful for you.